Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna work on this peyote wrap bracelet. It's a very easy tutorial, but the result is so gorgeous. I'm loving it. So to put this bracelet on, you will need help because for the clasp, we're gonna use this bar clasp and screw top. So you will need someone to do this for you. So here, I can remove it myself. I'm just gonna unscrew the top. And it easily comes apart. So essentially, it's just a very long strip of peyote. And then you just wrap it around your wrist twice. Bring these ends together. Take this bar through. And then screw the top. And that's your wrap bracelet. Now, I don't know if this is a standard equation, but double wrap of my wrist can be used as choker necklace, like this one. If you like choker necklaces, this is gonna be a perfect project for you because you can use it as a bracelet and as a choker necklace. So for this one, I used whites and golds. On the outside is 11/0 Delica gold one. And then in the middle there you see bugles. These are Toho 3mm bugles. And then right in the middle I used Delicas again, white AB. And look, it's gorgeous combination. For today, I decided to make it a bit of an ombre effect. For the middle, we're gonna use this. I think it's like a copper color. I'm not sure. I'll leave all the codes and links to my shop in the description box. For the bugles, I'm gonna be use this gold lined matted crystal. And it's a gorgeous color. And then for the outside, I'm gonna be using same gold. So we're gonna use there. And then for the bar clasp, I'm gonna use the same gold. I don't know why I took a silver. We're gonna be using same gold, and then you're gonna need a stop bead. For the thread on this project, I used color 20, Miyuki thread color 20, and I'm gonna be using same today. And then you're gonna need your Miyuki needles. So I'm gonna thread my needle with comfortable length, and then we'll get to work. So I thread my needle. We're gonna start with a stop bead. I'm gonna leave about 6-inch tail. Take my needle through the stop bead. And then one more time. Now we're gonna pick up our first row. So on the outside, I'm gonna use 2 gold Delicas. So I'm gonna pick up 2 gold Delicas. Then I'm gonna use the bugle. Then for the middle, I'm gonna use these 2 copper Delicas. Then again bugle. And then 2 gold. This is what we have. I'm gonna drop it down. And now we just start our peyote. The next bead I'm gonna pick up is the gold Delica. I'm gonna skip the first bead and go through the next one. Like so. Take my needle through. Help the beads settle in place there. Like so. The next bead I'm gonna pick up is the bugle. I'm gonna skip the bugle there, which is the first bead, and go through the next one. Help the beads settle in place. Like so. Next bead I'm gonna pick up will be copper because it will be on top of this copper. Skip that bead and go through the next, which is a bugle. Like so. Then I'm gonna pick up gold, which is gonna be on top of the gold there. Skip one bead and go through the last. Like so. To flip it over. And now we just go through the sticky out beads. So I'm going to pick up gold because it will be on top of this gold. Go through the sticky out bead. Next, I'm going to pick up bugle. Go through the next sticky out bead. Next, I'm going to pick up a copper Delica because it will be on top of the copper Delica. Go through the next sticky out bead, which is bugle this time. And then last gold Delica. Flip it over. Pick up gold Delica. Go through the sticky out bit. Pick up bugle. Go through the next sticky out bit. Pick up a copper bead. Go through the next sticky out bit. Pick up gold Delica. Go through the next sticky out bit. Flip it over. Pick up gold Delica. Go through the next sticky out bit. Pick up a bugle. Go through the next sticky out bit. Pick up a copper Delica and go through the next sticky out bit. Pick up a gold Delica, go through the last sticky out bit. Flip it over. Pick up gold, go through the next sticky out bit. Pick up a bugle, go through the next sticky out bit. Pick up copper, go through the next sticky out bit. Pick up gold, go through the last sticky out bit. And this is essentially what you do for the rest of the tutorial. Just keep going until you have enough to wrap around your wrist twice, and I'll meet you back here. So I decided to make a single layer for this bracelet just to save time, but you go ahead, make it double wrap. So they're meeting at the ends there. Now I'm gonna go ahead, remove my needle on this side, remove the stop bead. I want to make sure to make the fold on this side first because we only have 6 inches of thread, and then we can use the other side to adjust our length. So here I'm just gonna thread the needle. By the way, look at the colors. I'm loving it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna fold it over the bar. Make sure there is enough space for the bar to go through, but don't make it too wide for the ball to fall through. So you have quite a lot of adjusting space here, but I'm just gonna make it quite tight like this. So here I am. I'm just gonna take my needle. I think I'm gonna go here. Like so. And then through this bit here. And then through the bugle at the bottom there. We're basically zipping up. Like so. And then through here. And then through Delica on the other side. Then through the bugle here. Through the Delica on the other side, and then here. And that's it. We zipped it up. I'm just gonna reinforce. Go down this side. Doesn't matter where you go. Just want to make sure that it's nice and strong. Quite tricky, but can do it. Then I'm just gonna get rid of the tail. It's quite strong now, so I don't have to go back and forth too many times. And here I'm gonna go up. And then cut the tail. So one side is done. So the idea is I'm gonna put it around my hand like this. So on this side I have to have enough length to come around on this side of the bar and go over to make the fold. So this one is still a bit short, so I'm gonna go ahead and add more rows. So I have my required length now, and if I put it around my wrist, take it under the bar there, and then I can make the fold over the bar there, see? So I'm just gonna make the fold same way I did on this side and get rid of the tail. So I'm just gonna try to put this on the screen. I did manage it a couple times, but it's quite tricky. I do really need help to do this, but I'll see if I can do it. Yep. Oh, that's it. And that's how you make your peyote wrap bracelet. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, guys. It's a fairly easy tutorial, and it doesn't take as long as it would have if you were only using Delicas, because you know those bugles take up quite a lot of space. But of course you can make the same bracelet using only Delicas if you don't want to use the bugles. So thanks for watching, guys. I will leave all the links in the description box. You can find all these materials in my shop, so make sure to hit subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.